Alright, in the previous video, when we use the time command to get timing information of running some program or command, so we know that there's a two time command. One we refer to as built-in command, and another is the shell command. So in this tip, we're gonna see how can we get a list of all the shell built-in command. So there's two methods. The first method, it's use help. Okay, so let's let me key in this the first method. Use the help command. Okay, so let me key in this help command and the return. So you will see here those shell commands are defined internally. It is called built-in. Okay, so other command you can use man minus key or other method to get. Okay, but here we can roughly to see what command it is built-in. So commonly, let's go through some of them. Commonly we use like dot, right? Like dot, a source of file, alias, background, break, cd, compgen, let's echo, eval, exec, exit, fg, and those are built-in command. Even the history is built-in command if, jobs, let, so on and so forth. So it's listed here, and also the test times, they are all the shell built-in command. So how do we know this is a built-in command? You can see first, if see I want to, you can use help, So let's see we help time, okay. And let's use a different, let's use echo. So I'm going to help echo. So they will give the helpline to how to use this echo. So if you use man echo, you don't see the man page. Oh, they do have man page. Probably different echo. Let me see which echo. Oh, they have another echo. That is the shell echo. This is not the built-in echo. Okay. So if you do a type echo, you will see this echo is a built-in command, right? So if you use minus a, then you will list whatever command, similar like the time command. One is the shell built-in command, another is the shell command. Okay, so that is the one way. So the first method we use help. The second method we're gonna use called the comp. I forgot the name. Okay, Jan. So let me use this one. Help. Okay, so I'm gonna help. The second method is going to use the built-in, the compgen, okay, command. So the compgen command, let's help, okay, help compgen. All right, so they will have the how to use this command. Also, if we use type, you will see this is a built-in command, right? Let's see for something else. Where's the name? So this is a shell command. So there's this is a built-in command. If you do man page, let's see if you can get, you don't have man page because that is the built-in command, okay? So as I said, the second method is going to use compgen. So the compgen, the option we're gonna use, it is minus this one, A, B, C, D. So it's going to be minus B. Minus B means the built-in, okay? So we're going to run this. Comp gene. Oh, comp gene, not comp gene, okay? Minus B. So we get a whole list of this built-in command. It's very easy to read. It's better, easy read than the help command, okay? So you will see, you're probably familiar some of them also like push D, pop D, printf, read, pwd, or wait, onset, those umask, ulimit. So there's quite a few we already familiar with, if not all of them, but most of them I think we already familiar with. And so that is the second way to list the built-in. Okay, so that is where sometimes for the people new to the Linux or Unix environment, the built-in command versus the shell command is kind of confusing. You just see built-in is like internal when people they compile and load the shell like bash. So this is built-in internal to the bash. So the others they refer to external. We also call the shell command. Okay, so let's see if ls it is a built-in. So if we type -a ls to see. You see, this is not ls is not a built-in command. However, for cd, it is a built-in command. Okay. All right. So that is just a small tip to show the what the list of built-in command. What is not a built-in command. If you want to see not built-in command, it's not that easy. But at least you can use this like a comp gene to -c. You can see lots of command as well. But that is that is the shell. Okay, shell command. So you can see there's like 3,000 command, and it's known to this shell. All right, so that's the quick tip for built-in command.